XRP has lost more than 13% today, adding to the loss of about 20 on its weekly chart. The token's crash was caused by more than simply a gloomy market, though the XRP meltdown occurred on August 17. The same day, the court approved the regulator's request for permission to launch an interlocutory appeal in the dispute between blockchain. By the way, Ripple has responded to Judge Rakoff's order regarding his victory by resisting the secretary's request to file an interlocutory appeal, as XRP has continued to plummet. It has approached critical support levels, enticing big whale investors who have begun stockpiling extra tokens. Last but not least, what is the catch with the most recent XRP currency lending hiring strategy from Japan's SBIVC trade? Fox writer Gasparino delivers a fiery viewpoint on the future of XRP, arguing that Judge Torres' decision to Ripple was a joke and should not be considered a success for the firm, but the critical question remains unanswered. The current line of events has made the future of XRP questionable, so stick with me until the end. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, watch this new video as soon as possible. In a letter dated August 16 and sent by seasoned attorney James K., prominent blockchain company Ripple Labs has issued a response to the SEC's anticipated action for an interlocutory appeal of Judge Annalisa Torres' summary judgment finding. SEC's anticipated motion for leave to file an interlocutory appeal was contested by Filan and Rippling, who sought the court to dismiss the case. To that purpose, the defendant's appeal relied on three arguments. First, Ripple claimed that the summary judgment order delivered by Judge Torres on July 13 does not address any critical legal issues. Second, the top blockchain startup and its management said that the SEC failed to provide a convincing foundation for their investment. Finally, according to Ripple, the SEC's immediate appeal would not speed up the case's resolution. It is crucial to note that when a court ruling is appealed, as an interlocutory appeal takes place in the SEC's case against Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson, the Ripple litigation, which is presently in progress, is still available for discussion. The SEC expressly contends that Garlinghouse and Larson acted irresponsibly in allowing Ripple to distribute XRP in this manner. Even though there are still unanswered issues in the complaint regarding Ripple's programmatic sales of XRP and other payments, the SEC is asking for an interlocutory appeal. The SSDC intends to challenge Judge Torres' decision. In the meanwhile, the Securities and Exchange Commission will not appeal the ruling on Ripple's XRP sales to institutional investors. It will take advantage of XRP's lack of security. It would be more appropriate for the SEC, according to Ripple's status counsel, to appeal the court's decision following a judgment. The SEC argued that there is a critical legal question on which there is substantial space for debate, as seen by the SEC. The SEC contends that there is already an intra-district division in the Vitara litigation. As previously reported, Judge Judd Rakoff is in charge of the terror case in the Ripple decision. Torres' argument in the Ripple case. Judge Rakoff overturned the decision. Torres objected, stating that the Howey test does not make the same distinction between buyers. The SEC cited the decision in its request for authorization to pursue an interlocutory appeal. Eleanor Terrett works for Fox News. Ripple's reaction to Judge Rakoff's decision was recognized by business. Ripple asserts in its letter that terror sales of XRP differ from those made through programmatic sales. Ripple Labs used Terra's SEC complaint to highlight how the business and its owner, Du Quan, offered investors 19 to 20% returns on their initial investment. Furthermore, Terra and his founder ran a public campaign to entice retail institutional investors to buy their crypto assets, as Ripple noted. However, Judge Torres determined in her summary judgment ruling that Ripple did not make any assurances or offers to retail investors during XRP programmatic sales. It was also stated that the judge agreed with Judge Torres that the sale of digital assets does not inherently qualify as a security, and the crypto community's response to Ripple's rejection of the SEC's request for an interlocutory appeal was predictable. XRP Pro. Attorney John Deaton responded by appreciating Ripple's comments, saying that he expects more persuasive arguments in the future. If Rock Oven does not question her logic, Ripple's leadership will respond to the request. Deaton asserted that judge would have been foreseen by him. Coors would deny the sex appeal, but now that the recoil judgment has been made public, Torres will have the opportunity to elaborate on why her finding was reasonable and supported. According to Deaton, if she allows the SDC to submit a formal motion in response to the development. Lawyer Jeremy Hogan stated that Ripple made compelling arguments, and that if the sex interlocutory appeal is granted, Ripple will fulfill its contractual responsibilities. Attorney Hogan predicted that there will be several amicus papers filed. Please remember to press the notification bell once you've submitted your case. Also, subscribe to our channel to be the first to know about new developments. SERP investors and community members have voiced concern following XRP's drop from its 0.98-year high. However, as the asset falls below critical support levels, concerns regarding whale addresses have grown. XRP is one of the only cryptocurrencies to see a spike in whale activity despite downward trajectory sentiments stated in a study that whale transactions on the XRP network have resumed. Despite the price drop, the article contends that these transactions do not always indicate whale accumulation and that buyouts or sell-offs may be the reason for the rise in whale activity. Despite a 16.8% cut, rich addresses are unlikely to be abandoned. The emphasis was on how these whales typically accumulate more tokens when an asset declines. It's important to note that after a lengthy period of inactivity, this heightened whale activity began on August 13th. A mood chart reveals that, as a result, the number of XRP whale transactions worth at least $100,000 has grown to 22. According to Crew Research, the network has also seen a whale transaction for more than $1 million of insights offered by Crew Analysis of a cryptocurrency platform starting June 2022, has continued to print higher lows on the weekly time frame. According to the analytical platform, this was confirmation that institutional investors have been continuously increasing their holdings. Their holdings recall how the Cryptocurrency Basics disclosed last month that XRP investment products experienced a significant increase in inflows. According to XRP, current legal certainty has boosted institutional demand because investors who previously avoided the asset due to regulatory concerns can now do so. Phoenix, another cryptocurrency-focused analytical website, stated that XRP is one of several assets that are currently in an accumulation zone. Meanwhile, the psychological. The 0.60 support level has been broken by XRP. At the time of writing, the asset was trading for $0.5899, down 2 points, 1%, 2% from the previous day, and 8% from the previous week. Michael Van de Pope, a well-known expert, had previously identified entry points between $0.6033 and $56.3 as the 0 point. Furthermore, SBI VC Trade recently tweeted about a coin lending recruitment program that includes XRP and 4 other well-known cryptocurrencies, indicating that the exchange is looking for cryptocurrency investors to lend their coins. Investors are donating their coins to the SBI VC Trade in exchange for rewards. In this case, the business asserts that, according to the firm, this service is aimed at long-term Bitcoin investors. The present loan recruitment only focuses on 5 assets, while SPIF Trading intends to provide usage or rental fees based on the token issued and its length to long-term cryptocurrency holders. Despite the Japanese trading site introducing lending services for consumers holding more than 18 cryptocurrencies, including competitor Stellar Lumen's XRP, Ripple, and the stablecoin DAI as a result of the Bitcoin Dogecoin. The application window will open today at 8 o'clock p.m. Japan time and will close on August 31st, according to the publication of the application, while the lending service will operate through September 28th. The release also stated that all 5 lendable digital assets are subject to 0.1% attacks. Notably, SBI VC Trade has previously run a campaign in support of XRP before the current coin recruitment. As previously stated, the platform organized a summertime XRP festival to increase XRP's visibility in Japan. According to the report, the platform provided its contract for difference, CFD, trading suite in addition to the XRP promotion for the spot and futures markets participant winnings from XRP-based leverage trading could reach 100 XRP. It's worth noting that Yoshitaka, SBI's chairman, previously stated that if XRP wins its lawsuit, investors can expect large gains. The fundamental question of the day is whether XRP's future is now questionable. Don't, given the recent turn of events. Remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Bell will be among the first to learn about the latest XRP developments. The discussion on XRP has continued in the cryptocurrency community. A Fox, Charles Gasparino. Recently, a business correspondent provided his assessment of the asset's future report minimized the judge and Elisa Torres' XRP decision, prompting a variety of responses from the community. Gasparino, a longtime XRP opponent, referred to Judge Torres' declaration that the cryptocurrency is not a security prank. He stated that Jed Rakoff, the judge, had verified this, citing Rakoff's role as head judge in the terror case. Torres' logic was ignored by the federal judge in the decision because Gasparino indicated that small-scale XRP holders should not view Torres. He cautioned market participants against purchasing XRP because court decisions have been inconsistent, and the future of XRP is uncertain. According to the reporter, who asserted that his reports are consistently reliable, he wrote, "I have no idea where XRP will end up in Partis Post based on my reporting. I am aware that the court decisions are inconsistent. Search buyers beware. He can always rely on my reports to back him up." Gasparino underlined in his remarks that his previous warnings about the AMC and FNA assets were proven correct, that the AMC token significantly declined as expected. As a result, AFI issued Event a collapse warning. This video has come to an end. Please like and subscribe if you found it enjoyable. I find that the YouTube algorithm is quite helpful. Because of this, also tell as many people as you can about this video. Let's spread the word far and wide. If you're a real Bitcoin enthusiast, don't miss any of our events. We'll talk about the most recent news that affects our community as a whole when we gather tomorrow.